Hello and welcome, my beautiful queens. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing or unpackaging from the brand Latina lifters. So if you want to join me, be sure to continue watching. And don't forget to stick around for the rest of this video to know how you can enter for a giveaway. Welcome back, my beautiful queens, to Elenitas Journey, where we do a whole bunch of videos, like random ones. Self-love, body confidence, fitness, and just the overall journey. So who loves fitness? I do. If you love fitness, put your thumb up, hit that like button. If you don't love fitness, well, it's okay, you can love apparel. So fitness has always been something truly deep for me because it has been a life-changing experience. So when I got introduced into fitness in 2011, I always felt alone. It wasn't an easy journey, but it was something that I wanted to do for myself. Throughout the years, I was able to learn, adapt. You would have people to come with you to the gym, and then people will stop coming to the gym. So even before then, my journey has been just crazy. I've had gym partners, I've had zero gym partners, but for the most part, I'm a solo girl when it comes to being in the gym. I'm just like that. But I do enjoy it, when I do have occasional people, hey, you want to work out? Let's train together, and we're all good. But for the most part, I solo. So Latina Lifters was founded in 2020, everything with the pandemic. Oh, I have it backwards. Look how cute this sticker is. Latina Lifters. Absolutely adorable. The founder is Cynthia Martinez. Absolute beautiful woman, and I love the brand. I've interacted more with the brand. I don't know if it's Cynthia behind it, but whoever I interact with, you guys are awesome. Always being uplifted. Going into the gym, going out, I really didn't see the representation of Latinas with lifting, because we come from a background where it's like, no, mija, don't lift. Why are you gonna lift when you want to get bulkier, and so on? We come from a culture where it's just like, lifting is not okay. So didn't really have that representation. I would be that 1% of Latina that I would see at the gym. I would be that 1% of my family is to lift, to be honest. I don't think anybody else in my family side lifts. So it's crazy to me and impactful how much there is a lot of us in the Latina community and with lifting and with working out and training, not just cardio. So it was very impactful to see that there is a community out there, and it was built. So Latina Lifters is a clothing brand. Again, Latina Lifters, we're all Latina lifters. We're Latina and we lift. But the clothing brand is called Latina Lifters. So I'm going to show you the 3 items I got. I know I probably could have got more, but your girl can't. And to be honest, my man doesn't even know I got this. He would be like, Elena, why are you buying more things? You can't. And I'm just like, maybe just one more. And that's it. I've been very strict on myself, which is good, but for the most part. But I want to support a community, and this is a Latina owned business. So, and I think she's Mexican, so Latina owned business. I'm gonna support her, okay? So don't come at me, babe, about this. So we have the Latina lifter right here, and we have the beautiful women. I think Cynthia is the one right here with the green highlights. Then we have other 3 beautiful women representing. I'm gonna read the back of the card for you guys. It says, Bienvenido a la familia. Your purchase helps support a Latina-owned business that was created to share our culture and the fitness community. I love it. Our mission is to build a clica of a badass lifters that empowers and celebrates each other. And then there's a hashtag FORFEIT, and then they says, muchas gracias. Awesome. Here's the stuff I got. I got 3 pieces. Did I do 3? I got 3 pieces. Sorry, I'm missing a nail. It came off. And then this one peeled off my nail on top of my pinky. It's really, really sad. But these are the 3 pieces I got. I'm going to show you the first set, and then I'm going to show you the last one. So they put them in these little plastic baggies. We got some socks. It's been a while since I've really rocked some socks at the gym. So we got these long socks. They're black. It says Fuerte AF. Somos super fuertes AF. And they're really thick from what I feel. Yeah, they look pretty. Not thick, like thick enough. Not overly thick, but thick enough. And we have a matching top to it. How do I open this? Yeah. Okay. All right, so I'm nervous. I don't know if this is gonna fit me or not, but it's XL. Oh, it should. It looks, they look like they run big. I love this brand, the Bella Canva, so it's definitely gonna fit. I know it for sure. But Fuerte AF with the matching socks, like how freaking cute, guys. Like how cute. So we have that. I think it's so cute. Now the material is pretty thin, not gonna lie. I don't know if you guys can see my hands through there, but I don't really care about like how thin it is. It should fit. Let's see. It does. Oh yes, and it feels so light. I'm representing because I'm fuerte AF. Absolutely love it, and it feels so nice and smooth, but it's really light. Like it's super light, but it isn't as like a thick material, so just be warned. If I keep this, I live in apartments, so you can hear everything, and when people are like walking, you can hear it, and I get so annoyed because I'm like, I don't want to hear that noise here. So this is the first one, and I'll be sure to put the price right here so you guys know how much this costs, because I can't remember. This is the last piece, and this one's my favorite. I've been waiting for this one forever because I messaged them like, when are you guys gonna have this in stock? When are you gonna have it in stock? So finally have it in stock. I don't know, hopefully this is the crop top. I wanted the crop top, but I don't know. It's not the crop top. I wanted the crop top. It's okay. So I got this in a bigger size. I mean, like, this first one is just a 1X. So it's just the XL. And then this one's in the 3X. I know, Elena, te pasaste, ¿verdad? Look how big it is. Massive. But it's okay. Like, I'm going to work with what I have. And I'm going to actually cut it. And I'm going to make it into a crop top. They do sell them in crop top. So if you guys want a crop top. But I'm going to make it into a crop top. Because it's really long. And I'm short. So yes, I'm bigger, but I'm short. And I like... it's gonna be long on me. So as you guys can see right here, it says Conchas por Vida, and then it has the Latina lifters here and then the date. But look at it, look how cute. It's a concha. Like, you guys don't understand, like, just seeing this, like, knowing that you're part of people that get you. Like, it's not just like, oh yeah, like you see someone. Like, these are people that get you. And I am a loner at the gym. And I move, so I'm not like, you know, it's so weird. Like, I say hi and stuff like that, but it's just, I'm there to do what I need to do. But like, you get me. You know what I mean? You get me. So it's about being in a community that gets you and understands. And you know, that obviously, to me, soy necia, and I'm sure like all of us in the part of the Latina lifter community are necias when it comes to people telling us that we can't lift, and we're like, no, I can and I will. So it's just awesome to be a part of, you know, this community, and being a part of community, because there's more people around. We might be far. I'm here in Virginia, you guys are all the way in California, and then there's some of us spread out everywhere and throughout the US, and even beyond. So it's like, it's beautiful. So if you are a Latina lifter, be sure to comment down below, put Latina lifter, put whatever emoji you want that represents you as a Latina lifter, whether it is a strong arm, whether it's a smiley bubbly face, or if it's that peachy whatever you would like. So put Latina lifter and whatever emoji that you would like. And speaking of like fruits, so on TikTok I posted a video of me and I call myself a pear shape. Now people are just like coming at me because I call myself a pear shape. Like, you're not a pear shape, you're an apple. And I want to talk about this just because like we're already here, and I just think that in the end of the day, it's your body, the way how you identify yourself, and that's just how it is. You know, people can influence and tell you how you should identify yourself, but at the end of the day, it's how you identify yourself. And to me, I consider myself a peachy shape. Why do I consider myself a peachy shape? I've always considered myself a peachy shape. When I've lost weight, when I've gained weight. Why? Because every time I lose weight, I gain weight, I always have the roundness at the bottom of my stomach, and I'm pertaining this to my stomach, and then at the top I'm always kind of smaller here. So that is why I consider myself a peachy shape. If you consider yourself a peach shape, comment below peach shape right here, put the emoji peach, because if you get me, you know what I mean? I don't consider myself an apple shape, because if I were to consider myself on my apple shape, I would consider myself big all around. So yeah, what do you guys think about that? I love to hear your thoughts on it. If you consider yourself an apple shape, a peach shape, a pear shape, yeah, it's a pear shape. I consider myself a pear shape. But then the day, what does it matter? Like, it doesn't matter what I consider myself another day. Like, what do you guys think on that? So let me put this on real quick so you guys can see how it looks kind of big. So it's crazy how like you can fit a 1X on the first one, and then how big, you know, you can fit on the other one. Yes, so we are baggy here. I thought I got a crop top, but I guess I didn't. But I can make this into a crop top easily. It's gonna be a little bit of a baggy crop top, to be honest, but work with what you have. And I'll be sure to put it down below, so if you guys want to get the crop top, hopefully they're in stock. They're probably not in stock. That's probably why, like, you know, I got this one. I'm like, oh, it's a crop top when I just saw this part, but it's not. So we got this, and then I did reach out and I asked if there's any coupon codes so you guys can get something. So it's Clica10. I'll be sure to put it up here, Clica10, and I'll put it in the description and down below so you guys can save some money. I can't wait to wear this. I'm gonna wear this, I don't know when I'm gonna wear this today, or maybe another day, because I do want to cut this. Or what I like to do is kind of put it here, wrap it around, and just like put it together so I don't have to actually cut the material. All right. So if you guys stayed for this entire video, you know, the only way you can get this giveaway, we're gonna do a giveaway. So courteous to Latina lifters, they sent me this and they told me to include it in one of my giveaways, and I'm going to do that today in today's video. So if you guys engaged and you guys listened to this video as far as what I talked about, what to put in the comment section, and you know, the body shapes and so on, if you engaged and put a comment down below, you're automatically qualified into this giveaway. You must live within the 50 states. So if you're outside of the country, I am sorry, because I don't know how much shipping is, and your girl is kind of broke right now. So I can only do within the US. And one last thing, you have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to like this video. So that's all you have to do. As long as you engage, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, you'll qualify within the 50 states. You'll qualify for this got it, for this badass poster, because you are an empowering woman. This Latina lifter poster. So it's Latina lifters, and we have some great affirmations. I am resilient AF. So AF. I am, oh, not I am, but you could put I. Well, it says I am at the top, but I am smart AF. I'm beautiful AF, passionate, worthy AF, powerful AF, unique AF, determined AF, and fuerte AF. You'll be receiving this poster from Latina Lifters where you can put up to remind you how freaking amazing you are, AF. So I'm going to put this back in this, make sure I don't mess it up. So one of you lucky, beautiful women can get this. Oh, I might have to make this smaller. Thank you, my beautiful queens, for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to the Elenitasjourney family. If you have any requests on any future videos, as always, put in the comment section. Don't forget how beautiful and amazing you are. Loving ourselves is the first step to a happy life, and why not take that first step today? Until next time, beautiful queens, bye.